In this tutorial, I will briefly demonstrate how to use the IDEA StatiCa Connection code converter to convert your model to various international structural code. This is a great tool to use if, for example, you are working on an international project, and you want to make use of your existing connection model from you or your company's library, but was created on different structural code. Instead of wasting time redoing the model from scratch, you can convert it to your required structural code, and save some valuable time. Let me show you how it works. Suppose you saved various connections available like what I have here. I have here a number of connections saved in a folder that was created in different structural code. Let's try to convert connection that was created from Indian code to American code AISC. As you can see here, this model was created using Indian standard as code. I open up the application conversion bulk tool. Once the application is open, I will click on Select Folder, then I will find the folder where the connection created with Indian standard. Next I'm going to select the design code to be AISC, America. Please note that from this, you can select any available codes that you like. You can either select Australia, Canada, China, Hong Kong or Russia. But in this specific example we will stick with AISC, America. After that, I will click on Conversion. This will run the program in the background. After that, custom conversion settings will appear, and you will have the option to select whether to change the materials or leave it as is. In this example, I will change the cross-section to W16x45 imperial for the purpose of demonstration. When it is finished converting, I can then find the converted models saved in a different folder. When you open the connection file, you will see that the code has now been converted to American Standard AISC. Furthermore, you can use the same steps should you wish to convert to different codes like Australia to India, Hong Kong to China, etc. or vice versa.